Hey folks, look at this. It's getting worse outside, see? Blowing like crazy, folks. See? It's whistling, folks. It's whistling. I can hear it right now, folks. Anyways, folks, we're still under a winter storm warning. Still, folks. Anyways, folks, so far, I didn't go off again because folks, I might do it again. So now let me just get the towel back on the window sill so I can keep the air out of here. Anyways, folks, as enough folks, the power is still on, as you see, folks. See? And yes, folks, we still under a warning, see? Anyways, folks, let me turn on the backlight for you guys. Okay, see, folks, look. Also, folks, I need to put it back on. Well, I need to put and on for you guys so you can read it again and again. Okay, saving it. See? The winter storm warning. See? I just see on the LED. Let me turn off the backlight for you guys so you can see it properly. See? Anyways, folks, speaking words, folks, crap. That kind of scared me a little bit. I'm gonna push menu then select, folks. As I selected test siren, I'm at alert, folks. So, folks, have a good day or night. Choice is yours, and have a good day, folks. Goodbye.